Hi everyone, Spencer here. How you doing? Had a great day? How was your Good Friday? The sun was shining. It wasn't raining. We're in UK lockdown. Hear random bits about the news, but another day of me just obviously trying, testing, learning new things. Now, before I get into it, can you do me a favour? Can you subscribe to my channel? Really appreciate that. On top of that, if you click the notifications, so any videos that I upload in the future, you're made aware of it. So, a few days ago, I purchased Diddlypay Pro, and why did I purchase it? I kind of like the idea of a done-for-you business. What does that mean? Well, there's no costs in the way of domain name, hosting, funnels, maintenance, anything at all. There's nothing at all, apart from you invest a small chunk of money to buy a business in a box that's already done for you. Now on top of that, they've developed a payment system where your clients can actually pay with either cash, or they can refer people into your system. Now, what does that mean to you? You either have an immediate cash stream, or you have new prospects for your email marketing list. So, what do? Well, in essence, what you do is you drive traffic, or if you're not familiar with traffic is visitors. And what you do is you share the link and invite your friends, family, friends of friends, social media friends, friends on your email list, basically everybody that you know and people that you don't know. There's ways and means around it. Now I can help you with that. On top of that, a lot of other people on here will do a review of a product. I'm happy to do a review, but I go one stage further. I buy it, I test it, I try it. And then I can talk from a much better perspective, in the sense, what's the point of promoting something you don't actually believe in or tested? So, what does it do? Well, as you can see on the screen, the chappie that obviously started off, he got 148 leads and £330 in 24 hours. Now that's an example. It's not typical. You may achieve it, you may achieve less, you might achieve more, depending on obviously your metrics and the way in which you approach it. It's a real business. It's a business with a cash element, or there's a referral element. And what do you get in exchange for that? Digital products and there's a whole array of different digital products. So you part with either cash or some referrals to pay for the goods. Simple as that. And I thought, do you know what, sounds a really good business. Now the good thing about this, you have one funnel set up and you can actually create your own funnel too. So on top of that, there are upgrades to it, and one of the upgrades, for example, you can buy other businesses done for you in different niches. So you could end up with a whole array of different opportunities for your visitors, customers, repeat customers, to take a look at different products and systems. So they can either part with cash or they can part with referrals. Simple as that. So here's when you click on the link in the description below, you'll be presented with the sales page, and in front of you is the sales page. So as you can see, it's a viral income button, and it does 90% of the work. There's a video, I think it's a YouTube video on it. Obviously, if you like me, read a bit of thing. It's like anything in life. You can do a lot of research, think about it, sit on the fence, or you could be like me and just go for it. What do? Went for it. Thought, great, fantastic, that's another potential income stream. So, it's literally a 3-minute setup from the back office. It runs 99% on autopilot, everything's catered for. It's user friendly, There's a website and hosting included. Potentially, depending on where you're positioned, you could actually earn income from day one, and it can scale fast. And clearly, you know, there's 100% free viral traffic built in. So the hundreds in commissions. Basically, there's just obviously some testimonials, etc. It's the sales page. Again, like everything that, you know, if you want to do your due diligence, just click on the link in the description and just kind of go through the sales page, read the testimonials, watch the videos. You know, it's a business in a box. You're buying a business done for you. There's no complicated funnels, click this, do this, add this, you know, configure the domains and so forth. There's none of that. That's all taken away. So here's a picture of the back office and so forth. So, you know, apply a positive mindset. Work out what you want and where you want to drive your business in that sense. Now, that's clearly the sales page. Bear with me and see if I can get the, let's see, is it that one? Not sure, bear with. Right. Nope, still the same one. I knew this was going to happen, so bear with. Right. Laid off. So where is? I had it here earlier. You can see this is me being real. Okay. So here's obviously when you click the button, there's some more details about the done for you. You know, the cash maker is invitation only. It's just more information for you to ponder upon. Right, now there's the back office. So quite simply, as you can see, this is my back office. There's the done for you business, and basically everything's all set up. So the payment side is either $10 for the product or it's 3 leads, and it's all basically just plug in a few elements to it and basically off you go. So it's a really, they even, you know, they've got some text and email swipes that you can actually use or utilize. Or what you could do, if you want to be a bit more unique about it, you could use the email swipes as a guide and write a similar one, because then that makes you a bit more authentic rather than a robot. Rather than cut and paste, which you could do, I'd be more of the opinion if you could actually personalize it a bit more, and go down that route. Now, in the description, what I've also included is a link to my Google Docs, which has access to different tools that I use, some of which are free and some which are paid for, which will help with your marketing, will help with your, you know, reaching to a much wider audience. Clearly, what I would, you know, I would recommend creating new social media channels, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, Pinterest, and there'll be further trainings in the future on obviously how to set those up and how to kind of link them and use the share buttons, etc. Just take a step sideways. I run a digital marketing company with my fellow friend and business partner Pete Ashton. So we have lots of ways and means to drive traffic to this opportunity, to this business. A lot of the other people on here that review the product offers lots of weird and wonderful bonuses, and you know, there's some nuggets within the information. But what I'd like to do is go one stage further. I'm more of a buy it, try it, review it, and then plug it into our agency-based software. Now, on top of that, if you was to purchase this under me, reach out to me, tell me that you've bought it, and then we'll kind of put together a social media digital marketing strategy for you to drive traffic to it. So that's actually some free training that will be that I will help you. And I'm reachable on Skype. My Skype name is Spencer_90. And together we'll work together to drive traffic to your opportunity. Now, the cost to actually purchase this business is $18.97. So $18.97 to buy a business already made for you, with an array of products to purchase, where you can either part with money, $10, or you part with some referral names and email addresses to buy products. And there'll be different values for different products. And there's a whole array of different products. I'm just wondering if I can actually press right. I don't know if I'm supposed to show this, but I'm going to show you this because I like to keep it real and be straight with everybody rather than sort of like be elusive. So is it going to work? Right. So now it's just jumping into that. Now here's some of the products. As you can see, 4 leads, 4 leads, 4 leads. And you've got 5 leads, 6 leads. You've got affiliate marketing, 2 leads. So it's 2 leads all part with some money. It's 3 leads and part with some money and so forth. So there's lots of different products that will be offered through the system already built into it. So all we need to do is work together and look at ways of driving traffic. Now, I'm the kind of person where I believe in face-to-face selling, referral selling, networking is to me my most favourite. Then we can, telephone is another one, and then the internet marketing route. Obviously, we could reach out on. You could do YouTube videos like this, or you could do maybe Facebook Live or YouTube Live. Well, basically, you're basically inviting people to take a look, because it doesn't actually hurt to take a look and read some information and think about it in that sense. Anyway, thank you so much for your time. Really do appreciate that, and have a great evening. Definitely seriously consider taking a look, or even doing as I did, literally purchased it at $18.97. It's not going to break the bank, but it's going to give you another income stream. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Stay safe.